Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to report a neighborhood concern in the Airbnb application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and in the right corner you will find a profile option. Press on it. After doing so, you should scroll down here and under the support category you will find the report a neighborhood concern. Press on it. Wait a little until the page loads in and you can request a call if the neighborhood situation is very urgent and dangerous, but in other cases you should just report a concern. So I will show you that. The first thing you need to do is select what your concern is about. So it can be noise or party, neighborhood concerns, personal safety or other. And now you have to select basically if you have the link to the Airbnb listing for this home. If you have it, you should select yes, if not, no, and move to the next part. And you have to give here the address, so select the country and region, the street address, the apartment suite, and BLDG, which is optional, city, state, and zip code. And finally, you should describe the issue. When did that take place? How could Airbnb help? And my contact details, basically my full name and my email or Gmail address. After all of that is done, all I have to do is press on the submit option at the bottom of my right corner. So after I have done that, I basically reported the neighborhood concern. So that is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.